Per usual, everything on this channel is for educational information only and is not intended as financial advice. I'm excited to announce a new Kraken Pro tutorial series sponsored by Kraken. Kraken Pro is a complete overhaul of the Kraken trading experience with a one-stop shop for advanced and professional traders. Kraken Pro enables efficient trading execution across multiple markets with a UI that allows for unique optimization tailored to your trading style. And the first thing you may notice immediately is this doesn't look like Kraken, and you're right. Kraken Classic, Kraken Vanilla looked much different than this. In the intro video, I'll just go over a few key UI redesigns here. First, if you don't know how to get to Kraken Pro and you're on Kraken Classic, there's a button in the top right here to switch between the two. They also have an NFT marketplace now. At the very top, you'll see some bookmarked tickers where you can select between your favorites and or top gainers, losers, top traded, that sort of thing. And you can change your favorites by starring or unstarring. And you'll see that pop up here in the bottom in the Market Favorites tab. Again, all of this is completely customizable. So if you don't like the order book or market trades, I don't personally need to see that sort of thing. You can just get rid of it. We can resize everything. We can move market favorites around. There are a whole slew of options here that you can select, as well as on the layout. Another thing you'll notice is you've got Trading View at your fingertips here within the trading engine itself. And you've also got some quick tabs here at the top to get to charts immediately. The UI is very snappy. You'll see we've got open orders here. Those show up on the chart. We can then edit those orders by clicking and dragging them. Extremely seamless. Haven't been thrown a single error on Kraken since the new UI overhaul. And if we want, order forms on the right, we can do that. We can resize everything. Totally dependent on your trading style. And we can tuck market favorites back in there. And we can always add more tabs here if we want to see our portfolio, our balance. If we want to hide our balance, we can do that at the top here. There's also a companion Kraken Pro mobile app where you can see your portfolio and your positions. You'll get alerts on your fills. You'll get push notifications if they're enabled daily as far as an update on whatever your favorited markets are. That way if you want to see Doge BTC every day, when you wake up, it'll send you that notification. Price alerts are also coming soon to Kraken Pro web and mobile. At the top tab here, we've got analytics, portfolio history. Depending on your jurisdiction, you may also have margin, futures, and staking available. In the analytics tab, we've got some basic information here that they're still building out. I'll leave a survey link in the description of this video where you can drop feature requests or feedback as they continue to build out the platform. In the portfolio tab, you'll see your transactions, you'll see your trades, you'll also see the portfolio value. You can see where you've received crypto or USD, and you can toggle between spot or staking rewards if you have that available. Again, they have the NFT valuations here as well. And as your transactions are confirming on the crypto side of things, you'll see that in this status box here, it'll say confirming and then success. And definitely the biggest usability improvement for me is just being able to manipulate orders directly on the chart itself, to be able to see that directly on the chart, to see where your trades were. And you can also look at this in a grid view with those 4 quick tabs at the top. Kraken also has several new pairs that they've listed over the past year. If you're more of an alt trader, really like how they break out these coins with their taxonomy here. That way, if you're trying to see, how are the community tokens doing today, we can go to that tab, privacy coins and so on. There are also a slew of different denominations here on different pairs. And then, of course, if you want to just search for something, we can just do that in the search box there. And you also see, again, if you have this trading enabled, you'll be able to see which coins also have a margin pair. And then lastly here, you can, of course, just select or deselect your favorited options, and you'll see that in your favorites bar. If we want to look at XLM BTC, for example, it'll pop up there as the price is rising on today's news. So that's all I have for this one. I'll be going over more in depth on the Kraken Pro UI and trading in the following videos. Like, dislike, comment, share, subscribe, and happy trading.